channel Learn Cooking. Welcome everybody in a very simple and delicious recipe. I'm going to prepare Wedges potatoes with rosemary. I have potatoes. I wash the potatoes well. I have oil, half cup of oil and half cup of water. For the spices I have salt, red chili pepper powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder and rosemary powder. And I have 5 cloves of garlic. Let's cut the potatoes into slices. This is the potato I cut into thick slices. It should be thick, not thin. Thick potatoes like this. And I will cut into fingers slices. Like this. Like this. I wash the potatoes again with fresh water, then I complete it. After I wash the potatoes well, I get a tray. I put the potatoes in the tray. Like this. I cut garlic. Into small pieces like this. I mix the spices together, salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, rosemary and the red chili pepper. I mix them together. I put them on the potatoes. Like this. I add the oil. Half cup of oil. And a half cup of water. I put the water from the corner. Like this. Half cup of water. And I put this tray in the oven for 30 minutes. Or until it becomes well done. If the water dried, you can add another half cup of water. Now I put it in the oven for 30 minutes on 200 degree. And I will follow it. If it wants some water, I can add more water until it becomes well done. As you can see, this is the potatoes after it finished. It's a very delicious and very nice way to do. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy when you do this kind of potato. It doesn't take any time at all. Your kids will like it so much. When you do this recipe, I want to write your opinion to me. And please, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell icon and support me. Thank you.